Hi there, and welcome to Woodstock Public Library's second summer how-to video. My name is Ellen, and today we are going to learn how to refinish furniture with mineral paint. I chose mineral paint because it is easy to use and doesn't need much preparation. You could also use chalk or milk paint, but those need a sealant top coat to really last, which mineral paint does not. For this video, I'm using a brand called Fusion Mineral Paint, which is available at a variety of home decor and hardware stores, the one-of-a-kind market here in Woodstock, and is also available online. Mineral paint is non-toxic and virtually odorless. You'll want to either work on this project outside or lay down a newspaper or drop cloth to protect your floors. For this project, you'll need sandpaper, your paint, a paintbrush, and of course, a piece of furniture to refinish. I'm going to be painting this very dated looking black and gold side table that I found at a thrift shop with a nice green color called Bayberry. Generally speaking, mineral paint can be painted directly onto your furniture without sanding it, but if your furniture has a shiny veneer on it, a quick sanding will help the paint stick and give you a better finish. So, the first step is to sand your item if you need to. Personally, I recommend a light sanding no matter what, so that you can be sure the new coat of paint will hold. Sand all of the surfaces of your item that you'll be painting. Next, wipe down your furniture piece to make sure you have a clean and dust-free surface to paint. Now, it's time to paint. Mineral paint has a built-in top coat and gives excellent coverage, so in most cases you'll only need one coat. In my case, since I'm painting a lighter color over a dark color, I'll probably need a second coat. Mineral paint is also very durable and is even washable. Once you've finished painting your furniture piece, you can see if any of the original color is showing through and whether you'll need a second coat. If you do need a second coat, like I will, you'll need to let the first coat dry for 30 minutes minimum and check and see if it's ready for the second coat. It can take up to 2 hours, but luckily this kind of paint is pretty fast drying, especially on warm days, and often takes very little time to dry. Do your second coat of paint and again let it dry. The paint takes up to 3 weeks to cure thoroughly, but once it's cured, it'll be very tough and durable, hard to scratch or scrape, and will have a really nice matte finish. Refinishing and upcycling furniture is an easy and eco-friendly way to update your decor and save old furniture from the landfill. For more inspiration, you can check out these books from the library: Rescue, Restore, Redecorate, Amy Howard's Guide to Refinishing Furniture and Accessories by Amy Howard, Furniture Makeovers by Barb Blair, and Color Recipes for Painted Furniture and More, 40 Step-by-Step Projects to Transform Your Home by Annie Sloan. Thank you for joining me, and have a great night.